You see blue?
No, a clue!
A clue? There is a clue on this sound button. So our third clue must be this sound. Oh yeah, let's see what the sound is. Yikes. So our third clue is this booming sound. You know what we need. Our handy dandy
Notebook!
notebook. Right. Well, we can't really draw this sound, but we can draw the sound button, to help us remember. So for the sound button, we just draw a circle and do some lines on the bottom for the rest of the button, and then we draw some wavy lines going out to represent this sound. We have all three clues. We have all three clues. You know what that means? We're ready to sit in our thinking chair. Come on. Okay, now that we're in our thinking chair, let's think. You will help, right? Great. So, we're trying to figure out what blue hears. And our clues are drops of water,